HelpMeWithStats.com was used to create this tutorial that can help us understand means and medians of amodal distributions. Here is an amodal distribution of 8 satisfaction ratings for the concert. In this example, the mean and the median are equal to each other. But the amodal distributions do not always have means and medians that are equal. Here's an amodal distribution of 4 satisfaction ratings where 3 scores are very low, which produces a mean that is greater than the median. When the scores are clustered on the low end like this, the mean is higher than the median. Here's an amodal distribution where most scores are very high, which produces a mean that is smaller than the median. When the scores are clustered on the high end like this, the mean is smaller than the median. For more help with statistics, HelpMeWithStats.com is a free website that has more than 70 tutorials, as videos, or as self-paced slideshows. You can also learn how to conduct more than 60 statistical analyses by watching videos that show complete solutions, or by working through an unlimited number of examples using the step-by-step problem solvers. Finally, you can access a comprehensive stats textbook with more than 685 review questions. Thanks for watching. If you find these resources valuable, please share with your friends, teachers, and professors.